Okay, so what we're going to do is show you a method of forging a heel onto flat stock, which at the end of it leaves you with a really solid, strong heel, which is obviously great when you come to fit the shoe. So you can see we end up with a heel that's got plenty of material still left in it without losing any of the thickness as we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we bring it out onto the anvil. I'm going to knock off the outside edge of the heel at this angle. We then take it and we put it over the bick and push it over just like you would forging a hockey stick for a bar shoe, and hitting the same part of the heel that you've just done on the flat there. So now we've ended up with that sort of thing. We then turn it over, back onto the flat of the anvil, and we're going to then forge back into this part of the heel here, forcing material back into it, and also as we keep striking it there, as we're forging material back in, it'll lay the heel back down onto the flat of the anvil, and then obviously we're able to then carry on working it round that edge and on that edge. Then again, eventually then we end up with our really strong outside heel. Okay, so start off taking off the outside edge of your heel, over the bit, striking the same edge, and turn it up like a hockey stick. Now we're going to come over the top of it and force the material back in. Yeah, so we've ended up with that. Down the heel, get it on the bit, straighten it all out a bit. Okay, so there you can see we've ended up with a really strong heel. Still got all of its thickness. And then what we can do, because you've got all that material in there now, as you carry on and you make the shoe, you can either put a check on it or drive some material further back into it to create a sort of a much rounder heel. But the important thing is you've got the material there, you can do whatever you like with it.